big news that we're tracking as far as what the Supreme Court has said. Supreme Court hears the plea against Bulldozer justice. In fact, the Supreme rebuke over instant justice. Let's tell you, with the fact that the top court has questioned BJP-ruled states from Uttar Pradesh to MP, Bulldozer overdrive that is. Has gone on to make pertaining remarks saying can't demolish property of accused or convicts, breach of rules, says the top court. In fact, the Supreme Court to issue pan-India guidelines is what we're given to understand. So what that would essentially mean is that sides to come up with suggestions is what the top court has said. September 17th will be the next date of hearing as far as this is concerned. Harish, my colleague, joins me for more. Harish, good afternoon. Significant development, just to draw things into perspective for our viewers, what would this mean?
Yes, Nivedna, in fact, big observations by the Supreme Court as far as the instant justice, the bulldozer justice is concerned. Supreme Court was hearing petitions filed by Jamiat Ulema and also several Muslim petitions who had alleged that Muslims are being selectively targeted, their properties are being targeted. The woman, an accused belonging to minority community, accused in a case or a suspect, the government, most of the BJP governments are proceeding to bulldozers against the home or property and demolish them. And this is what the Supreme Court was hearing. The Supreme Court made it very clear that the houses of property of accused or suspects or even convicts, how can it be demolished? But at the same time, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who had appeared for the BJP-ruled state, and also particularly the UP government, said that no such an affidavit had already been filed saying that no demolitions are done. Demolitions are only done if there is a violation of municipal law committed by the particular accused, and also if the structure is illegal. And till now, only action has been taken against such properties. But the Supreme Court said that going by the complaint, the rule is followed more in breach, and asked this Solicitor General Tushar Mehta to come out clear on this. If the Solicitor General is giving such an assurance, henceforth such properties could be demolished, and Supreme Court asked both sides to come with suggestions as to what guidelines the Supreme Court can lay down. And Supreme Court said on the next date of hearing, that is September 17th, Supreme Court will put an end to this controversy, will definitely lay down pan-India guidelines as far as bulldozer justice is concerned, and also said that very strict guidelines will be laid down so that no such complaints come up in the future. So very, very important remarks made by the bench of Justice B.R. Gawai, K.V. Viswanathan is concerned. Supreme Court red flags this bulldozer justice and very clearly said that such action, bulldozer action against accused in a criminal case or even convicted cannot be countenanced, and also reminded the government that till a person is proved guilty, he remains innocent. So how can
Right, Harish. I'd have to interject you for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us with the latest and telling us the key observations, and more importantly, drawing things into perspective for us.